Introducing Cursive, capital letters for UKG. Are you ready to take your cursive writing skills to the next level? We have the perfect solution for you. Our new program focuses specifically on mastering capital letters in cursive handwriting. With clear and concise examples, we will guide you through the process of forming elegant and graceful capital letters. Say goodbye to struggling with uppercase letters in cursive, and hello to confidence and proficiency. Join us and unlock the potential of your cursive writing skills. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your handwriting today.